What's up, YouTube? Just got my Gentle Giant Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface mini bust. Let's see if I can get you a better look. And he's heavy. He's you know, got his jacket on there, got his gloves, leather face, skin face. Has his chainsaw. Chainsaw's bigger than he is. Gotta be careful of him here. I don't want to drop him. Yeah, he's decent. He's going right in the curio cabinet in the horror cave. Here you go. Limited edition number 625 out of 1,000. Gentle Giant Limited. New Line Cinema. Yeah, he's decent. I got him in the box complete. He was still in the wrapper. Here's the certificate of authenticity. 625 out of 1,000. Gentle Giant. And then here's the box he came in. Leatherface is best known for his masks made of human skin. A severely mentally disturbed individual, he uses a sledgehammer and a chainsaw to slaughter his victims. He lives with his family of fellow cannibals who are often abusive and violent towards him. This is here you go. Leatherface, Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Mini bust by Gentle Giant. He's going to go right down in the curio cabinet, right next to the Freddy Krueger Gentle Giant mini bust.